Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero error code 379BA703. The error reads, "Connection to opponent lost." As per our research, the error comes when players try to fight online in ranked or casual matches. Users have reported that every time they try to play online, they get this error. Also, this error is marked as rare, but it still affects a good number of players. According to our research, the error is likely related to connection issues during online gameplay. It could also be linked to game files or custom settings. First, try restarting your device and then check if the game needs an update. If there is any update available, install it and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try connecting over a different network. You can use another Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If this fixes the issue, then on your main network try changing your DNS or flush the DNS. You can also try deleting the engine config folder or files under the game directory. If the issue persists, try capping the game to 30 FPS and see if this helps. Some users shared that limiting FPS helped fix similar errors. If you're using any mods, then try disabling them and playing the game without mods. Then check if the error still comes. At last, if none of the steps help, then wait for some time and try again. This might be a temporary server-side issue. If the error continues for too long, then we suggest contacting the game support to report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.